Alright, so a bag contains one green ball, two blue balls, and three orange ones. A green ball is worth $20, a blue one's worth $5, and an orange one's worth $1. So you reach into the bag and grab two simultaneously and at random. And then we're going to let X be the total value of the two balls that you grabbed. And we need to find the expected value and the variance of X. So I think in this example it's best if we first write the outcomes and then the possible values for X, because they're not as straightforward as in the last couple of examples. So, for example, one thing that we could do is we could get two orange, or we could get an orange and a blue, or we could get two blues, we could get a green and an orange, or we could get a green and a blue. Notice we can't get green and green because there's only one green one. Also, we're reaching in and grabbing two simultaneously and at random, so the order here doesn't matter. So I wrote OB, I could have written BO. It doesn't matter. Alright, so those are the 5 outcomes we have. Let's figure out what X is going to be equal to in each of those situations. Okay, so if I get two orange balls, each one's worth $1, so that's 2. If I get an orange and a blue, 5 plus 1 is 6. Two blues is 10. A green and an orange is 21. And a green and a blue is 25. So those are the possible values for X. Now we got to get the probabilities. Alright, so for the probabilities, we're going to use combinations here, right? Because we have simultaneously and at random. So if I get two oranges, that means I need, from the 3 oranges, I need 2. And in total, the denominators here are C6, 2. Because there are 6 balls total and we're grabbing 2 of them. Okay, now we keep going. If we get an orange and a blue, then I need, from the oranges I need 1. And from the blues I need 1. And then the denominator is the same thing. Similarly for two blues, well, from the blues I need both of them. So C22 over C62. Alright, if I get a green and an orange, well then from the greens I need 1, and from the oranges I need 1. And the denominator is still the same. And finally for a green and a blue, there's a 3 right there. I have C11 times C21 divided by C62. Right, I need the 1 green and I need 1 of the 2 blue. Alright, so those are my probabilities.